What's up, car lovers? Welcome back to Horsepower Habits, your home for the boldest and most advanced builds tearing up the automotive world. Today, we're diving into 8 extreme car modifications dominating 2025. These innovations blur the line between machine and art. From interiors that think for themselves to bodywork that literally transforms, these creations are changing everything we know about cars. So buckle up, grab that energy drink, and prepare to be blown away. Because number 1 on this list will make you question what's real and what's digital illusion. Before we hit the gas, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell icon. Every single week, we bring you the next evolution of car culture, where imagination meets horsepower. All right, let's roll. Let's start inside the cabin, the brain of the beast. AI-driven interiors are no longer futuristic concepts. They're here, and they're smarter than ever. We're talking dashboards that evolve with you. Systems that analyze your habits, adapt your climate, and shift your lighting based on your mood. Forget static instrument clusters. In 2025, top builders are installing holographic dashboards that float above the console. They project gauges and real-time telemetry data right into the air. Your car knows when you're stressed, lowering ambient light automatically. When you're cruising, it syncs the rhythm of its glow with your music. Some use bioluminescent accent panels that shimmer like living organisms. It gives the cabin this surreal sci-fi feel, almost as if the car itself is alive. Brands like Mansory and Koenigsegg are already prototyping interiors that feel half spaceship, half luxury lounge. They're completely transforming how we connect with machines. You've seen wide-body builds before, but 2025's designs make everything before look tame. We're now in the age of extreme reconstruction. Builders aren't just widening panels, they're redesigning the entire silhouette of the car. We're talking full carbon fiber overhauls that add 8 inches of width per side to a Lamborghini Huracan. Or 3D printed aero kits that reshape airflow with surgical precision. This isn't about flex, it's about function. Some of these designs generate 40 to 50% more downforce than the stock model. That allows track speeds that were impossible a decade ago. Even McLaren's 720S builds are seeing breakthroughs. Tuners are merging aerospace-inspired shapes that slice through the air like fighter jets. Every bolt and every curve serves a purpose. Performance, aggression, and artistry fused into one breathtaking package. This isn't just modification anymore. It's evolution through design. If there's one trend redefining automotive aesthetics, it's color-shifting wrap technology. These wraps use thermochromic and photochromic materials. Their colors morph depending on temperature, sunlight, or even your viewing angle. Imagine a McLaren gliding by, morphing from royal purple to deep electric blue, or a Ferrari glowing liquid gold under city lights, then turning shadow black in the shade. The surface doesn't just reflect light, it interacts with it. Advanced wraps now feature programmable nanolayers you control with an app. You could literally wake up, tap your phone, and your car changes from matte gunmetal to pearlescent teal. Some experimental builds even integrate micro LED fibers beneath the surface. They display subtle animations, light pulses, and reactive color patterns that move with your music. It's not just customization, it's digital expression. Your car becomes alive, a shifting work of technology and art. Now let's talk about power. For years, builders argued, turbocharging or supercharging. In 2025, we said, why not both? Twin charging hybrid setups are redefining performance. Superchargers provide explosive launch power. Turbos take over at higher RPMs, delivering relentless acceleration with zero lag. The result? Over 1,500 horsepower in cars still street legal. The Nissan GTR community has gone ballistic. We're seeing street-legal GTRs running 8-second quarter miles, yet they cruise through traffic like family sedans. Next-gen ECUS and adaptive fuel systems keep everything balanced and brutally efficient. The power delivery is seamless, the precision unbelievable. It's a mechanical symphony, raw chaos perfectly controlled. This is the new standard of performance. Suspension tech has evolved so far, it's practically rewriting physics. What used to be air ride systems are now AI-controlled active aero suspensions. They can reshape a car's stance and balance in real time. These systems don't just lift or lower the car. They shift individual wheel height and angle to optimize grip and aerodynamics. At high speeds, the front dips for downforce. During hard acceleration, the rear squats for traction. In corners, the car literally leans like a motorcycle. The most advanced setups make over 1,000 micro adjustments every second. They predict movement before you even feel it. It's a ride that feels organic, fluid, alive. Engineering so advanced it borders on sentience. This next one sparks debate wherever car enthusiasts gather. Electric powertrain swaps in classic muscle cars are rewriting automotive history. Builders are taking legends like the 1969 Dodge Charger and the '70 Mustang Fastback. They're replacing combustion engines with high-torque electric motors pushing over 1,000 horsepower. 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds, from cars that still look like they came straight out of a retro movie. And no, it's not soulless. Far from it. These conversions feature synthetic exhaust tones, vibration simulators, and even digital gearshift emulators. You still feel the growl, the pull, the drama, just with instant torque and zero emissions. It's the best of both worlds. The soul of the past fused with the performance of tomorrow. A love letter to history, rewritten in silence and speed. Customization has never been this flexible. Modular body panel systems are changing how we build, own, and modify cars. Using magnetic locks, carbon reinforcements, and quick-release mounts, entire body sections can be swapped in minutes. Heading to the track? Snap on your aggressive aero package with the wide splitter and wing. Monday commute? Swap back to your street-friendly setup in under half an hour. It's like owning multiple versions of the same car, all built into one chassis. Brands like McLaren and Lamborghini are already testing modular factory designs. Owners can change shape, downforce, and airflow without touching a welder or paint gun. It's more than convenience. It's the birth of the shape-shifting car. Design that adapts to you. Now, the jaw dropper. The most mind-bending mod of 2025. Holographic projection systems built directly into the car's body. This isn't just fancy lighting. It's laser-based projection mapping that creates living holograms around your vehicle. Imagine pulling into a meet and your ride project's holographic flames spinning off its wheels, or a floating three-dimensional RPM display hovering above the hood. Some prototypes even create virtual body kits, wings, spoilers, or glowing patterns that look solid but disappear with a button press. It's powered by microlasers hidden beneath the paint. AI tracks motion, ambient light, and sound to make every projection move perfectly with your car. The most advanced builds project ghost cars trailing behind. Virtual racing stripes pulse with the engine's rhythm. Every drive becomes a rolling light show. People who've seen it in person say it doesn't just turn heads, it stops traffic. And that brings us to the end. 8 extreme car modifications redefining 2025. From self-learning interiors to holographic illusions, this is the golden age of creativity on wheels. The line between imagination and engineering has vanished, and what's left is pure automotive art. These builds prove that cars aren't just machines anymore. They're identity, they're emotion, they're proof of what happens when passion meets precision. So tell us, which one blew your mind the most? Drop a comment and let us know what mod you'd put on your dream build. If this video got your adrenaline pumping, hit that like button. Subscribe, turn on notifications, because Horsepower Habits is just getting started. Next week, we're counting down the most expensive car modifications ever made. And trust me, the top one will make your jaw drop. Until then, keep that horsepower habit alive. And remember, the only limit is your imagination. Drive bold, dream louder, and I'll see you in the next one.